today's video, mag-limo ta og remedy, home remedy pang haplas. So kini siya is avocado na dry. Avocado dry. Matay powder na avocado na can be grind. Itong butangan o olive oil. Itong ihulong. So, like. And again, observe for 1 week or 2 weeks. Saan ito ganito? Kailangan kuhaning avocado. So let's see.